This is BBC World News. I'm kkkkk with the headlines. American defence officials say 4 Russian cruise missiles launched from the Caspian Sea towards targets in Syria have crashed in Iran. Russia rejects the claims, saying all the missiles reached their targets. Iran's official news agency is reporting that one of the country's high-ranking military generals, General Hossein Hamedani, has been killed by fighters from the so-called Islamic State group in Aleppo in Syria. Sepp Blatter has said he'll appeal against FIFA's decision to suspend him. He's one of 3 top officials from world football's governing body to be banned over corruption allegations. After several months of difficult talks involving Libya's rival factions, the United Nations has put forward proposals for a unity government. The UN envoy, Bernardino Leon, said the plan represented real hope for the country. Well, those are all the headlines here on BBC World News. I'm kkkkk. Thanks for watching.